Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crewe Volkswagen dealership, showing you today this gorgeous looking and brand new Volkswagen Golf R Black Edition. 2-litre TSI 4MOTION, 333 PS, DSG gearbox and finish in Lapiz blue premium metallic paint. In the front you enjoy IQ Light Matrix adaptive LED headlights with illuminated logo, whilst on the side 19-inch Estoril Black alloys will contrast beautifully against the paint, whilst in the rear IQ Light LED taillights even offer a dynamic look. In the front you also enjoy a stylish cabin with front sport seats with manual lumbar support, and the driver will certainly enjoy using this leather-wrapped multifunction steering with paddle shifts with a bespoke digital cockpit. Customizable dials are on offer, allowing you to display trip information, adaptive cruise control and even built-in sat-nav, and for the colder months there is also the convenience of a heated steering wheel. Center 13-inch touchscreen is an absolute joy to use, offering easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony along with FM and DB radio to find your favorite stations. Built-in sat-nav can be displayed on the center screen as well, and there are numerous vehicle settings and the convenience of a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Helping you park is a rear-view camera complemented by wide-angle lens and front and rear sensors, and a host of active safety systems will always scan the road ahead. While selectable drives will opt for efficiency or a sporty spirited drive, and multicolor ambient lighting will certainly stand out at night. Music fans will enjoy the adjustable speaker sound system along with ChatGPT. Whatever the weather, 2-zone climate control is complemented by heated front seats, wireless charger, and overhead you'll find easy controls for the electric sunroof. This has been a presentation of the brand new Volkswagen Golf R Black Edition that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.